Hello, it's Robert Schwimmer and welcome to my channel. During my last visit at the Tehachapi Train Loop Overlook, I saw this sign describing the Tehachapi Depot Railroad Museum. I decided on my next trip I would check it out, as well as the Keene Cafe, famous for its hamburgers, that was closed during the first visit. The museum states when planning your visit, and I quote, "At the Tehachapi Depot Railroad Museum, we believe that a museum is not just a place for storing unique objects, rather it's a place for people to engage, interact, and ponder." I couldn't agree more. Okay, let's go check out the museum. It's free to the public, but with all nonprofits, donations are certainly appreciated. When's the next train coming?
Right.
The docents kindly opened the back door so I could witness a train passing the depot. You can also virtually view passing trains between Bakersfield and Mojave, either direction, daily through their live cam. There's something for everyone at the train depot in Tehachapi. The museum has hundreds of train artifacts on exhibit, laid out in 4 rooms, as well as a really great gift shop. The Friends of the Tehachapi Depot, along with community stakeholders, are credited with establishing the new Tehachapi Overlook that provides a safe viewing deck that was open to the public in 2001. This amazing diorama captures the steep grade of the Tehachapi Train Loop. I really enjoyed meeting Docent Tim. His wealth of knowledge certainly checked the box for engagement in pondering railroad history, and of course its local ties to Tehachapi.
Yeah, this room is elevated because to ease the shipment of freight, and they bring in a wagon load full of heavy freight, and they can unload it directly to this level, and then prepare it for shipping and weigh it and whatnot. And then when the train stopped over here, they would just put it right on the boxcar, put it right on the flat car.
That makes sense.
In here that you could bring in a load.
Oh, so you come off the street,
Yeah.
truck, and then weigh it there?
Yeah. There were a lot of these smaller scales.
Okay.
Freight, and this is the big mama of all freight scales. This thing could weigh up to 200,000 pounds.
Oh my God.
It was linked to outside the section of rail they called the floating rail.
Okay.
It was a scale, kind of like a modern truck scale, but you could pull an empty freight car up and put it on that floating rail. You could weigh it. And then if you wanted to load it up with talc from the local talc mine, after it was loaded, you'd weigh it again so you knew how much to charge.
So was it a combination of either weight or size, mass of what they were shipping for space?
I think it was predominantly weight, but
Okay.
I'm not sure. There might have been a size issue.
After a wonderful visit to the Railroad Depot Museum, I was ready for that hamburger. The Keene Cafe has a historic past dating back to the 1920s. Check out their website for more information on their history.
So what are your hours?
We're open from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. daily.
Keene Cafe is a small town diner that feels like home as soon as you walk in the door. The bar counter, it represents local cattle brands. I ordered the pastrami burger. The patty is topped with pastrami, Swiss cheese, and pickles, and even mustard, which I enjoy. It's also suggested to get lunch to go and enjoy having a picnic while waiting for trains at the Tehachapi Loop. Now let's see if we are lucky enough to witness a train at the Tehachapi Loop passing over itself. I sure hope you enjoyed this video visiting the Tehachapi Train Depot, an historic cafe, and the amazing engineering feat of the Tehachapi Train Loop. Thank you to my loyal subscribers, and if you're new to the channel, welcome! Please consider subscribing and joining me on the next journey above and below the sea and from the air. Please like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.